There's a lot that goes into construction projects. Most importantly, the land survey. It's vital to establish lines and boundaries of all potential projects. These land surveys are needed in the beginning, middle, and end to help the developer understand how to use the land, where to build structures, and so much more.
What a land surveyor does is actually takes accurate measurements of the land. The most important thing is actually to know the boundary of the land, to know where the property lines begin, where the property lines end. Then actually they do lay it out in the field physically where the properties begin and where the properties end. For example, William Penn laid out the whole city of Pennsylvania. In order to create the grid system in Manhattan, it had to be laid out in the field where the boundaries of all the streets and all the properties begin and where it ends. Another important feature of surveying is actually to do the topography of the land. You're measuring the elevations of the land, how the water is flowing across land, and what your terrain looks like, so you can figure out how to build roads, where to place houses, where to put everything. Clearpoint Services offers all types of surveying. There's no job that's too small for us, and actually, I like doing every job, and we love challenges.
Land surveying is so important because everything from pre-construction to post-construction, it is the beginning, the middle, and the end. The reason why is anything that has to be designed, they need to know the size of the property, they need to know the conditions of the property, whether it's hills, rocks, whether there's utilities that they plan on connecting to. Everything starts and ends with the surveys.
When you start construction, the surveyor has to come and lay out the land, where the property is. You have to show where the building is going to go. That's actually where we have robotics. We come out and verify the foundation was placed in the right spot. Nobody wants to build a building and then find out that they put the building in the wrong spot. So you verify the foundation first. After construction, they want a survey of the entire site to make sure everything was built correctly. The building height, the buildings aren't too tall. The building is located in the proper place. The storm sewer has been built correctly. The sanitary sewer has been built correctly.
When it comes to surveying the land for a construction project, technology and survey knowledge are the most valuable asset.
Clearpoint Services is definitely technology driven. This is an ever-evolving industry. The technology is always evolving, and so are we. We're always implementing the new, best, accurate information that we can, both for our clients as well as for ourselves.
I'm addicted to technology, and we all have the latest technology. We do with surveys with drones. You could actually measure huge amount of topography of lands. We can actually measure physical features on properties. Everything with the drones. You have a built-in GPS system on the drone that correlates the cameras. The key is to be successful in surveying is increasing productivity. The more you can produce, the better you can do. That's why we introduce robotics. That's why we have the drones. We actually have robotic rovers running around properties doing construction layouts, showing where every part of a building supposed to go on a property is going to be. We take our job seriously. I care about my customers. We stick with a project and we get it done.
If you'd like more information, visit their website, clearpointservices.com, or watch this segment again at InsideTheBlueprint.com.